Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're here at the Jefferson Parkhouse, and now we're looking at two other features that the amenities. There's a lot of amenities. So one of them is this yoga studio. The yoga studio is pretty cool. It's big, very, very big room. So you can go to this echelon mirror and put on a show and program there and follow it. But you can also do a class in here. So you can have a complete class going, and it's private. It's a very cool feature to see this. So this is one part. There's the mats. But then also, one thing I did want to highlight too is we had passed it, but I was over here and noticing this and just really wanted to highlight it for you. We had seen it when we walked past this, but there really are quite a few co-working areas. So this is the lounge itself, but then I liked how the co-working areas were here. So you've got these nice areas. You can see the plugs that are there, so you can work from here. You can work from here. You can go here and work if you like, just kind of individual. You can go into, you can have this whisper room, and that's a private room there. You've got a conference room that you can have over here. So there's a lot of spaces that you can work from during the day. And then you can see into the distance, but there's that coffee machine, free coffee, always beckoning. So anyway, really nice features. This is just a beautiful, huge apartment complex. So anyway, that's a little bit more about this area. And now I see something we're about to see, and that's the pool. Let's go take a look at it. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or if you want to take a virtual tour, a live virtual tour as early as today, send me a text. Just use the number below.